Hello, my name is Rainey, and I'm available for adoption. I'm a 1-year-old Terrier mix, and I live in Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm a playful girl who's always up for an adventure, whether it be going to the park, taking a hike, or going for a swim. I'm a friendly pup who does great with other dogs. I love playing with my canine friends. I'm a smart pooch too. I'm currently taking puppy classes, and so far I've learned over 7 commands. I need a family that can keep up with my high energy and continue my training. If you would like to meet me, please contact adopt@joyfulpets.com.